Hi friends, it's Mia. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're exploring two awesome hair helpers, the hair dryer and the comb. They help us feel fresh and ready, just like superheroes for your hair. So sit back, get comfy, and let your imagination join the fun. Have you ever used a hair dryer before? It goes whoosh and blows warm air to dry your hair after a bath. Some are shaped like space blasters or microphones. Some even light up or make silly sounds. Can you pretend you're drying your hair now? Hold your hand out and say it with me. Whoosh! Hair dryers make us feel clean, warm, and ready to start the day. Some people use them in salons, and others use them at home after shampoo time. Now let's talk about the comb, one of the oldest tools we still use today. It has tiny teeth like a little ladder and helps untangle knots in our hair. Some combs are long and smooth, and others are short and spiky. What color is your comb at home? Is it pink, black, maybe even glittery? Can you pretend to brush your hair with your fingers? Let's do it gently. Swish, swish. Nice and neat, no more tangles. Combs help us stay clean, confident, and looking our best. Let's learn some cool facts while we pretend. Hair dryers were invented over 100 years ago. In the past, people even used vacuum cleaners to dry hair. Can you imagine the noise? Combs are even older. They go back thousands of years to ancient Egypt and China. Today we have combs for every hair type, even tiny ones for your pets. What kind of hair do you have? Curly, straight, wavy? All hair is beautiful. Let's pretend we're in a magical hair salon. You walk in and sit in the comfy spinning chair. Then your favorite music starts playing. The hair dryer goes whoosh. The comb slides through your hair, swish, swish. And when you're done, you look in the mirror and say, wow! How would you style your hair? Big curls, spiky, twisty braids? This salon is just for you, and anything is possible. You've learned so much today. Now you know that a hair dryer isn't just a noisy machine. It's a helper that keeps you warm and comfy. And a comb, that's a tiny hero that keeps hair happy. You're doing great every time you learn something new. Keep using your imagination and keep exploring your world. Give yourself a round of applause. You earned it. job! If you had fun, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new Draw and Learn adventure. Thanks for drawing and learning with us today. See you next time, friends. Bye!